What's going on, everyone? It's Alex here from Alex Physio. Today we're going to be going over 5 exercises that you can do to improve your knee flexion range of motion after surgery. Welcome. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Alexander Kravich. I'm a physiotherapist in Vancouver, British Columbia, and today we're going to be going over 5 knee flexion or knee bend exercises that you can do to improve your range of motion after surgery, or if you struggle with knee bend. We have made a previous video on exercises to improve knee flexion. This is one that shows you another set of 5 exercises that might be ones that you haven't really seen before in the past. So let's get to it. Exercise 1 is just going to be a prone knee bend. So you're just going to lie on your stomach, and all I want you to try to think about is trying to bring your heel towards your bum as far as you feel comfortable. And then come back down to the start. Again, this obviously depends on what stage of the rehab that you're in, but if you're early on, this will be more than enough stimuli. But if you're really trying to get those last few degrees, you can try to grab onto your sock just to help give a little bit of overpressure. Again, this can be very aggressive depending on the stage that you're in, but really trying to get those last few degrees, you can add the overpressure. Otherwise, just working on this as a range of motion exercise. Exercise 2, we're going to work on knee flexion dangling. So what this is going to look like is you're going to sit on an elevated surface and you're going to have a stool where you rest both your legs. The affected leg, so in this case, if this is my left leg, I just want you to try to think about letting it dangle while having the good leg on the stool for support. This really allows gravity to do the work in terms of trying to help with getting a little bit more knee bend when your foot is in a dependent position like so, and you can just try to hang out in this position. Again, the premise of this dangling exercise is you're trying to allow gravity to just do a lot of the work and let the muscles, tendons, ligaments all relax so that you can try to get a little bit more knee bend. You can use your hand to push back a little bit based on how much tolerance you have, but even just resting in this position at the start, especially if you're early on in the recovery from knee surgery, this will be more than sufficient. Exercise 3, we're just going to be doing scooting in the chair. So what this is going to look like is I just want you to think about scooting your bum to the edge of the chair as far as you feel comfortable, and then scooting back to the start. So the act of you scooting your bum forward while keeping your feet and your heels on the ground is that you're working on relative knee bend, because the closer that my bum gets to the edge of the chair, the more knee bend that I'm in without actually moving my leg to get in those positions. And then obviously scooting back relaxes the muscles a little bit. So again, scooting on the edge of the bed, you can get as, or at the end of the chair, you get as close to the edge as possible. You can really see that my knee bend range of motion, or my knee bend degree, has increased, and then going back to relax that exercise and that stretch. Okay, so that's exercise 3, scooting in the chair. Exercise 4, we're going to do knee bend in sitting with a towel. So the knee bend with sitting makes it an active assisted range of motion exercise because you're using the towel to help your foot move with more fluidity, so there's less kind of resistance. So I want you to put your foot over the towel, and again, you're just trying to think about bringing your heel towards your bum and then come back to the start. Again, you're bringing that towel and your heel closer towards your bum and then back to the start. Okay, so just trying to work on range of motion as far as you feel comfortable. Again, obviously I'm going towards the end range, so this is going to be more provocative if you just had surgery. So even if you just start in small windows at the start, very good to try to get that blood flow, to help with the healing, to decrease the swelling, to get things going in a very gentle range of motion and in a window of movement that you can tolerate. And a little bit of discomfort will be okay here, but you just don't want to push through the pain. Okay, so that's exercise 4, active assisted knee bend in sitting with a towel. Exercise 5, we're going to do, again, active assisted knee bend in tall sitting. So I have this heavy duty band that I'm going to wrap just around my hamstrings, and I'm using it to try to help, again, bring my heel towards my bum. Some people wrap it around their feet, and in a previous video I had it over the feet. This is just a little bit different because for some people it might be a little bit easier. You can get a bit more leverage in this position. My other knee is bent just to try to help kind of make things easier in terms of bending my knee on the affected side, and just more comfortable for you to be in this position when this one's bent versus if both are straight. So again, you're just using your arms to help try to bring that heel towards the bum. And again, obviously a heavier strap will help more, especially if you're in the early stages and you're not able to do much on your own. Okay, and just going forward and back. Try to go in a straight line if you can, just to get those good mechanics and go to the discomfort, but not through the pain. And back to the start. There you have it. We went over 5 exercises that you can do to improve your knee bend range of motion after surgery. I have another video, as I mentioned, where I go over another set of 5 exercises, but this just gives you some more variety and things to work on. So with knee bend, we're aiming for about 120 to 125 degrees of range of motion after surgery. And the premise is in order to be able to get that range of motion, is we want to be able to get back to squatting and going up and down stairs, on and off a bicycle. We need about 120 degrees of range of motion, up to that amount. So knee bend is very important to overall knee health. So working on these exercises to help improve that is going to be very important in your overall recovery. So let me know what you thought about this video. Have you had a knee surgery recently, or are you planning on having one? Have you tried some of these exercises, or have you been offered some of these exercises in the past? Let me know how your rehab has been and what are some things that you're doing to try to optimize your success after the surgery if you haven't had it yet. Let me know down in the comments below. I love to read everyone's stories. And if you find value in this video, please consider checking out some of my other videos. I have over 500 videos on various physio, exercise, and medical related topics. And if you still find value, please consider subscribing to my channel. It really allows my channel to grow and allows me to reach a wider audience. Until then, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.